Good day everyone, this is Kirby of KMACS Kitchen. Naglalaway ka na ba? Curry ka na ba? Sige, hindi ko na to patatagalin. Today, I'll share with you my chicken curry recipe. Ready ka na? Tara, luto tayo. Curry is actually a variety of dishes originated in the Indian subcontinent. This is a combination of herbs and spices such as turmeric, coriander, and cumin. Pero alam nyo ba na ang curry powder came from the western countries na buong akala natin ay galing din sa India? Nagsimula itong iproduce noong 18th century. There are different curry dishes around the world. Isa sa mga bansa na maraming versions nito bukod sa India ay ang Thailand. Hindi rin tayo magpapahuli dyan. Sikat na sikat dito sa atin ang chicken curry. Ano bang kailangan natin? We need 1 kilogram of chicken. I'm using drumstick and wings. Curry powder, coconut cream, garlic, onion, carrots, potatoes, red and green bell peppers, and salt and pepper. Prep muna natin yung chicken. Hiniwaan ko lang yung drumstick para manuot yung sauce natin. Hinati ko lang sa dalawa yung chicken wing, separating the winglet and tip dun sa drummet. Ito yung best parts ng chicken to use in this recipe, in my opinion. Next natin yung aromatics. We need around 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. We just have to smash it using our knife, peel it off, and mince it. Then set aside. We also need half of an onion. White onion yung gamit ko dito. I-mince lang din natin and set aside. And then our bell pepper. Just cut it in half, tapos tanggalin lang natin yung buto and white part sa loob. I-chop lang natin into squares. Same goes with our red bell peppers. Kung mapapansin nyo, both colors yung ginamit ko para mas maganda sa mata. Bagay na bagay to this coming Christmas, very colorful. Next is yung ating baby potatoes. If hindi available, you can also use the regular ones. I-cut lang natin in half and skin on. We'll also add carrots. This is how I peel my carrots. Using your knife, just scrape the skin off like this. Manipis lang yun kaya madali siyang matatanggal instead of using a peeler na nasasama pati yung laman. Alright, so start na tayo magluto. Heat some oil in a pan and throw in your potatoes and carrots. What we're doing here is pre-cooking our veggies para hindi na tayo matagalang palambutin sila mamaya. At this point, you can also season your veggies with salt and pepper. If our veggies start to brown, take it out of the heat and set it aside. In the same pan, let's throw in our chicken. We'll do the same thing. We wanted to sear our chicken as it adds more flavor instead of just boiling it in water. We just have to cook our chicken for around 3 to 4 minutes each side. Kapag brown na, hanguin lang natin and set it aside. Using the same pan in our chicken oil, saute lang natin yung garlic and onion. Do this until fragrant. At this point, lagay na natin yung chicken. Igisa lang natin ng 2 minutes. To make the chicken more tender, let's add half a cup of water. Takpan lang natin and let it simmer for around 10 minutes. Once tender, we can now add our coconut cream. I'm using fresh coconut cream, pero kung hindi available sa area nyo, you can also use the canned one. At this point, ilagay na natin yung curry powder, around 2 tablespoons. We just have to mix it well, making sure na well combined na yung gata and yung curry powder. Season it with some salt and pepper. We can now add our cooked veggies. Toss it around, making sure na coated ng sauce natin yung veggies. I-cover lang natin and simmer this for around 5 minutes. For added umami, nag-add din ako ng 1 teaspoon of patis. You can adjust depending on your preference. We're almost done. Lastly, lagay na natin yung bell peppers. Ang colorful, di ba? Always remember that we should also eat with our eyes. Napaka-festive nung itsura, bagay na bagay ngayong papalapit na Pasko. And we are done. Plate na natin. And there you have it everyone, our Pinoy style chicken curry. Kanin na lang ang kulang. Hihintayin mo pa ba ang Pasko? Serve mo na to tonight! Thanks for watching everyone, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe ka na rin and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa mga future recipes na isi-share ko. And share mo na rin to sa mga friends and family members mong mahilig kumain at magluto. And also don't forget to follow KMACS Kitchen on Facebook and Instagram. And if you have any questions or any suggested dish na gusto nyo lutuin ko, please comment down below. Malay mo, next episode natin yun na yung lutuin ko. Again, this is Kirby of KMACS Kitchen. Tara, kain tayo!